Hello, everybody. Good morning. Thursday, February 16th. Just see if this thing's working. All right. Yeah, so here, data analysis for euro dollar this morning. It's been kind of choppy this week, but we can let's see what we can look at here. So let's start from the higher time frames on the daily. So right now we are still kind of as yesterday. If you guys follow me on TradingView or any other platform, so we had this push here, which I told you guys that it would be most likely it would be a sweep of liquidity because we didn't really like reach any target down here to make sense for a reversal. So that was just like to grab liquidity on top of this high here, then to continue down on the 4 hour. Yeah, you can see there as well. This was because of CPI news, and it just like swept all these equal highs kind of here. Um, to it didn't even mitigate this other supply, but it doesn't have to. Uh, and on the day, I mean, on the 4 hour swing structure, you can see that we turn bearish as well. And that one didn't close above that high, the strong high. So we still on the bearish move. So since we didn't see that price closing above this internal, I mean, the swing high here, so we could see that this was like the week low, right? Also because it didn't respect when it came all the way down here. You can see that it didn't respect this 4 hour zone. So that's another confluence that price wanted to come down further, maybe to mitigate something here. Just make sure that if you guys are taking shorts to aim for this daily because sometimes it doesn't go all the way down there. Let me, what am I doing? So, like, sometimes if you're taking shorts, make sure that you get out here instead of try to aim all the way there, or maybe take partials here and then let the rest run. So on the 15 minute, it's a little clear. We had inducement to the supply, and yeah, you can see that price is following this supply chain here, and it's very clean in that sense. And we when we mitigated that area, we right away we pushed down, and there was no confirmation entry here when it pushed down. But I wouldn't take a risk entry because there was also this unmitigated demand. So was price was kind of like stuck in between this supply and this demand. Um, right now, so right now, what I'm looking at is that we have this swing low there, right here. So let me see if I can grab this guy. Let me just try to. So we want to see price closing below this one if we want to continue the bearish move. So we want to see price closing below that. Let me see. Dark. And if price close below this low here, this wick low, um, and then we're gonna have the internal and the swing turn bearish. In terms of entering trades, yeah, like again, right, guys? So like it didn't respect that 4 hour and this one as well. That's why I have this huge. I need to make this smaller just to sign that it didn't respect the zone. So like right now, as of entering trades. Um, we now that we made another low, I had this one here because price, if it just came down here fractal, I would at least wait for a sweep of that high. But since we already made another fractal low, we could be looking for shorts from this supply. Let's see the supply here. All right. But remember that price, if we don't see price closing below this two lows here, we could probably see it going up, but I doubt it. But so the best way would to wait for price to pull back to the supply and then take price all the way down there, aligning with the daily. Remember, so remember to take partials and let the rest run. This could be a super nice move, and with a lot of profit. All right, guys. So as of right now, that's what we have. Swing is bearish, internal is bearish, and we just need to wait for a pullback so we are not entering like when price is just falling down, because you might get caught on the um, like on the I mean on this fall, because it's falling pretty bad now. So remember that we need to wait for the push and the pullback. So when we have a confirmation in one of these two, I believe, supplies, then we can take shorts down. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you guys like the analysis, and let me know in the comment, and I'll see you guys next time.